Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to fix the GPU requirement or bypass GPU on D5 renders. As you can see right here, I have graphic card unknown. I will go to system requirement and you can see my issue here, and the solution is to upgrade a supported graphic card. So basically we can't do anything except buying new graphic card. If I turn off this window, the D5 render will automatically close, as you see. So what we're going to do, I will show you in this video. You will right click to the D5 render and you open the file location. Now you can see this is the location of D5 render, and you will find the config.ini. You will drag this file to the desktop like this and you will open with Notepad. Now the important step is you need to add some kind of value over here. You will add like me. First open, check equal 1. That is the way you can ask D5 render don't check anything in the first open. So if your system does not meet the requirement, you can use D5 render without any system checking. Now you can save this and you close it. You will drag this file or copy this file again to D5 render folder and replace it. Okay, basically you're done. You can check this file again. Now you can close this one and reopen D5 renders. As you can see, we don't have any system requirement, so that is a way you can fix the system requirement or bypass the GPU on D5 renders. If this video helpful, please give me a like and a subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.